BYD, the global leader in new energy vehicle manufacturing, proudly introduces the Dolphin Surf to UK roads. This launch marks the brand's 8th pure electric vehicle to debut in Europe in less than 3 years.
Designed specifically for city driving, the Dolphin Surf features compact dimensions, measuring 3,990 millimeters long, 1,720 millimeters wide, and 1,590 millimeters high, making it ideal for navigating narrow urban streets and squeezing into tight parking spaces. At the front, the Dolphin Surf stands out with futuristic styling, including sleek headlights with 6 sharply angled LED elements and integrated daytime running lights. A sculpted lower bumper and strong horizontal lines give it a wide, confident presence. The rear design mirrors the bold front, with a full-width LED taillight bar, a standout feature in its segment, and a roof spoiler that adds both visual flair and aerodynamic benefits. A side profile reveals a clean, single-arch silhouette that maximizes interior room. A distinctive body contour adds a sporty character, while models come equipped with either 15-inch or 16-inch alloy wheels as standard. Despite its compact footprint, the Dolphin Surf boasts a generous 2,500mm wheelbase, comparable to that of larger vehicles, providing comfortable space for 4 passengers. Inside, the cabin combines functionality with a playful edge. The minimalist dashboard is anchored by a 10.1-inch rotating touchscreen featuring BYD's latest infotainment system. Key tech highlights include a customizable shortcut bar, intuitive 3-finger gesture controls for climate settings, and seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Storage is also impressive, with 308 liters of boot space, expandable to 1,037 liters with the rear seats folded, rivaling some vehicles in larger classes. All models are equipped with BYD's vehicle-to-load capability, enabling drivers to power external devices, perfect for camping, tailgating, or working on the go. The Dolphin Surf offers 3 powertrain options, each featuring a front-mounted motor. Active, 30 kilowatt battery, 65 kilowatt motor, 0 to 62 miles per hour in 11.1 seconds. Boost, 43.2 kilowatt hour blade battery, 65 kilowatt motor, 0 to 62 miles per hour in 12.1 seconds. Comfort, 43.2 kilowatt hour blade battery, 115 kilowatt motor, 0 to 62 miles per hour in 9.1 seconds. DC fast charging is available across the range, 65 kilowatt for the active and 85 kilowatt for the boost and comfort trims, enabling a 10% to 80% charge in just 30 minutes. AC charging at 11 kilowatts is standard, offering a full recharge in 3.5 to 5 hours depending on the model. Offering up to 200 miles of WLTP combined range and up to 305 miles on the WLTP city cycle, the Dolphin Surf is both practical and efficient, an ideal choice for everyday urban driving.